就是差不多，因为网不化人员，中午提下治疗。
Hi, I'm Yao Bing with Xinhua News Agency. I'm now at one of the nucleic acid testing sites in the city of Ruili, southwest China's Yunnan province. The city launched the first round citywide nucleic acid testing for COVID-19 after new cases were reported in late March. All the samples have been collected in a single day, and all the results of the samples have been available in a day and a half. Today, the city is conducting the second round nucleic acid testing for all its residents.
我们是先把那个居民做好名册，每家每户登记，然后每个人有一个编号，按照顺序，50号、50号一组，分组分片进行了检测。
就是拿着这个卡片，它这边根据信息进行登录，进行对照，然后跟那个核酸检测，它那个试剂，它那有个条嘛，两个是对的。没有错，他说是都。王彦斌啊，有过吗？
不要啦。哎，你上完。下一个吧。手机不用啊？不用。好，好，好的，好，来，走，走。